What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys what products you definitely don't want to be selling when it comes to Amazon. Amazon FBA and growing an Amazon business is one of the best business models that you can actually do to grow and scale long-term business, especially online. Certainly what I've done to grow my Amazon business like year after year. Now my business is worth over $1 million just by doing exactly what I'm going to be telling you in this video. Things to avoid and things to make sure that you personally do to grow a long-term business. What I personally do is private label. Private labels when I source products from China, send it to Amazon's warehouse, and then Amazon pretty much does the rest for me. Amazon packs it, ships it, and delivers it to the customer. All I really have to make sure is that the product is very good and that it could get ranked on the first page. It has I give it a lot of reviews and all that other stuff. But you need to make sure, first of all, that the product is really good and that you can personally make a lot of profit on it. Because there's a lot of people that tend to sell things that they have a passion about, or it's their hobby or something like that. And that's the least thing that you want to do when it comes to selling on Amazon. You want to look at the numbers, and let me show you guys the numbers here. So what I have in front of me here is Helium 10. Highly recommend you to use Helium 10 here. It's what I use for my Amazon product research. How do I know? Like, this tool allows me to know how to get ranked on the first page, what profit is on Amazon. You can see here. Wait, sorry about that. This thing is moving like crazy. Okay, this is the profits from so far today, yesterday, last 7 days, and last year. Last year I did 1.6 million in sales and net profit of $496,000. And this tool really helps you find out like Amazon product research, tracks what you ranked on for Amazon and everything like that. Highly recommend it if you wanted to grow an Amazon business. If you want to use Helium 10 by any chance or means, I have a discount code for you guys in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. It really helps you grow a long-term Amazon FBA business, especially if you're looking for a product to start selling on Amazon. Let's get back into it here. So let me show you guys a couple of examples that you don't want to sell, because I already did a little bit of research for you guys. Here is a product that you don't want to sell, something like this. It's very cheap, $7.88. You can see that they only sold 4 sales, giving them $31. Terrible craft bag here. It's another bad idea that you don't want to sell. You can see only made $400 last 30 days, $100 the last 30 days, selling for $11. Let's keep going here. Look at this one. It's a terrible picture, to be honest. Last 30 days, only $1,000. And let's see this one, a phone case. You don't want to sell any phone accessories on Amazon. And you can see here they only made $100 and 14 sales the last 30 days. What makes these products really bad that I just showed you, right? So things that you want to make sure with selling on Amazon: sell products that are over $18, because the products I showed you are all less than $18 and are pretty big and heavy, which they're not going to be making a profit from. If you want to sell on Amazon, avoid making these mistakes. These people are just selling something that they have a passion about, or they thought of it might have been a good idea without seeing the numbers. So ideally, what I always do with all of my Amazon businesses is that I sell products that are over $18. Why do I do this? Because Amazon FBA fees, you have to consider that, and shipping fees. This is something that we always pay as Amazon sellers. These people, if you have it really low, like this phone case right here for $9, shipping is a minimum of $3.50 plus an Amazon FBA fee. They would be lucky if they're even making $1 profit with this product. That just shows you, like, you need to make sure that you sell a product that is pretty expensive, but not too expensive. Like I say at $18 or more as the minimum. And that's really going to help you grow a long-term Amazon business. I really highly recommend it. Second thing you want to do is not to sell anything big or heavy. Like this phone case here that I showed you, it's not big and heavy, but it doesn't fall into the first category that I told you that it's over $18. So It needs to fall under all these 3 categories for it to be a successful Amazon product to start selling. $18 needs to be light and small, less than 3 pounds. It really is going to help you grow a long-term Amazon business. And thirdly, you want to make sure that you're getting a profit margin of 35% or higher for every product that you're selling. This allows you to really grow and really invest in a business. What you might be a little confused with the profit margin. Let me show you guys here. So we have here the profit margin here. You can see here with the Helium 10 tool that I have. Today so far, 45%. It's early in the morning, so it's very low sales. Yesterday, 43% margin. Last 7 days, 40%. And last year is 30 because I had to liquidate a ton of product. But ideally, you always want to aim for 35% or higher. It's really going to help you scale your business and keep it growing. So that's 35% after product costs, Amazon fees, all of those fees said and done. You want to have it 35% or higher. You might be wondering, how do you even know how to do this? I got you guys. This whole channel is dedicated to teaching you step by step of how to do everything easy. And I even made a free course for you guys to show you guys exactly how you can find what products to get, what products to avoid, more Amazon product research, the Amazon FBA calculator. Everything there is just for you guys. So you guys can just literally sign up in like 3 minutes from now. You can click the link in the description down below. Literally, the course is free. Nothing is needed for that course, and you can get started. I also have a more advanced course. Let's say in the future you want to make it a full-time income, and you're really serious about getting this business going. Then after the free course, you can check out the advanced course. Advanced course is not free though. It's only $99 a month, but I made it monthly. That way, you can finish it in like 3 to 4 weeks if you're serious, and you don't have to pay that much to learn. I try to make it as affordable as possible for anybody that's interested in learning, because I see people, gurus or whatever, selling courses for like $1,500, $2,000. It's insane. So if you want, check out that free course. It has a bunch, and check out this channel. It's a ton of content, all for you to learn and grow an Amazon business. Any questions regarding anything that you have related to Amazon, leave a comment down below. I'll answer it, and if I haven't made a video about it, I'll even make a video about it just to help you guys out. So I'm gonna show you guys what to, like I said, what to stay away from and what you would want to do. So let me do some Amazon product research and show you guys what are good products to start selling on Amazon really quick here. It's gonna be really fast. And this is a really good filter to use if you wanted to sell good products. Like, you can literally copy and paste this. So these are the categories that I like. Baby products. I don't like any electronics. Stay away from electronics. Stay away from cell phone accessories, clothing, especially if you're a beginner. Health and household, home and kitchen are good. Kitchen and dining are good. Pet supplies is really good. Tools and home improvement, office products. But for this example, these are all very good categories that I like to sell. But for this example, I'm just going to put baby products just to show you guys how many good baby products that you can get. Baby products and pet supplies is probably one of my favorite niches to do. So you want to put baby products 1-in-1, $18, minimum revenue $20,000. This is going to give us really good products. We're going to put review count 300, shipping size small and large standard. That way we get small products in our thing. Max weight 3 pounds. This is everything that I said that you want to do with finding a good product to sell. It falls under all the categories. Over $18, lightweight, not competitive niche. Now we're going to get a bunch of good listings. Check this out here. So we got one here. I'm going to go real fast because I can see a bunch of good listings already. So here, this is another one. This is another one. Let's click these three here. You can see here, this is a silicone tray for babies, for teething. So this product, right, you can see that they've made $25,000 off this product literally in the last month, and they only have 259 reviews. This listing is fairly new, and they're making a ton of money with this one product. We can keep going here. This is like, I don't even know what this is. It looks like a waist trainer for babies. I have no idea what this is, but it's making money. It has 4 stars, all 150 reviews, $27,000. Very, very good. This is a silicone bowl for babies, $20,000, 23 bucks. Another teething tray. Look at that, $25,000. Less than 200 reviews. So that filter I just showed you guys is what you exactly want to do when finding what products to sell on Amazon. Very, very important to do. I mean, like something like this, you can get it for $1 on Alibaba.com. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Breastfeeding popsicle mold. You're gonna go to Alibaba.com, right? You're gonna type this here. And then you're probably gonna get a couple of listings here. See one here, this is a bigger one. So this might even sell even more, because now compared to this one, now they're getting all of this. People like more value when it comes to Amazon. So if you give them more value like this, you know, people will pay $1 more, $2 more. Or you can put the same price and beat the competition. That's what I personally always do. It's a more advanced technique. Highly recommend it. So let's say this was $1.30. So what you would do to find out how much profit margin you'll be making for this is you go on Google really quick here. Let's do this really fast. Amazon FBA calculator. We're going to type that in Google, and you're going to look for sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the link you want to click here, and we're going to paste the ASIN. Okay, whoopsie. Let's go to this ASIN, right? The ASIN is like the identity of the product. It's like the serial number of the product. So you can find the ASIN if you scroll down here to product information here. It's going to be on the right here, additional information. You're going to copy this. We're going to go back to that revenue calculator of Amazon FBA to find out how much fees we're going to be paying for selling a product like this, right? So you can see they're making $10, but let's put our product cost $1.30, and let's say it's about 35 cents to ship it. You'd be making close to $9 net profit each sale, and a net margin of 47%, which is above 35% of how I told you guys earlier. This is a great product to start selling on Amazon just because it's not competitive. You just saw 2 listings, very similar, right? These 2 separate listings making close over $20,000 each one of them. Look at this one, the separate listing, 25, or is it the same? Maybe, let's see. Yeah, they're making a ton of money selling a product like this on Amazon. Highly recommend you to do this. Avoid those mistakes that I mentioned earlier, like nothing big or heavy, nothing less than $18. Really take that time and initiative to, you know, do the product research and find what products are really good to sell. If you want to learn more information about Amazon product research or finding what products to sell, check out my free course. It teaches you everything you need to know about Amazon FBA. And also my videos here on this whole channel literally are dedicated for you guys interested in learning. It's how I grew my business year after year, growing it to over $1 million. Let me show you guys real cool about what you're doing here on Amazon too. With a tool that like I have here, we have even a business valuation tool, shows you how much your business is worth over the years. So what you're doing is you're not just selling a product on Amazon, but you're building a long-term business that you can sell in the future. So that's what's really cool about this. Any questions, comment down below. Like this video if you can, subscribe. Really appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.